guys, it's Gwen. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how to do an After Effects Inspire wipe transition on light motion. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you won't leave any of the tutorials. And make sure to go request the next tutorial I shall make next. Thank you and enjoy! Okay guys, so the first thing you need to do is to create your project, or you can use the project you have. Okay, so after creating your project, now you're gonna need to import the clips you're gonna need. I think 2 seconds is too short, so I'm changing it into 3 seconds. Okay guys, so now we're gonna import the second clip. Okay guys, so click the second layer, and now we're gonna duplicate the second clip. After duplicating, disable the upper layer and go to the second layer. Now go to Make Mask key and search for wipe. Now you're gonna need to follow my settings. Change the angle into 0 degree. Now go to N and change it into 50 degree. Okay, so now enable the upper layer and disable the lower layer. Now go to the upper layer and go to Make Mask key and search for wipe. Since on the beginning we changed it into N, now we're gonna go to start. And for the start, change it into 50 degree. Okay, so now you can enable all the layers. Okay, so after enabling all the layers, you're gonna need to mess up with all the keyframes. You can follow my keyframe settings or making it your own. Okay, since I'm making a 3 seconds edit, I'm gonna import the third clip. Okay guys, so as you see, my third picture is already here, and I'm gonna do the same settings like I do on the beginning. Now I'm gonna duplicate the third layer. Just like the first and the second clip, you're gonna need to add an effect. Go to Make Mask key and search for wipe. Okay guys, so for this time, we're gonna make the settings different. And for the angle, we're gonna change it into 90 degree. Okay, so now we're moving into N. And for the settings, you're gonna need to change the N into 50 degree. And just like the first and the second clip, you're just gonna need to mess up with all the keyframes. You can follow my keyframe settings or making it your own. It's all up to you. Okay guys, so we're done with the tutorial, but I think we still need some decorations. So I'm gonna group all the layers into one. And also for the decorations, I'm gonna put zoom ins and ask glow into my edit. Okay, so as you see, now I'm doing a zoom transition, and don't forget to put in the graphs. You can follow my graph or make it your own. Okay, so here I'm doing a second zoom transition, and don't forget to put the graphs. Okay, last time, I'm gonna add the zoom transition to the end of the clip, and don't forget to put the graphs. Okay guys, as I say, I'm gonna add my second decorations. I'm gonna do an ask glow to my edit. So I'm gonna duplicate the layer, and I'm gonna add an effect. I'm gonna go to blur and search for inner blur. Okay, after adding the effect, I'm gonna go to blending and opacity, and I'm gonna go to lighten, and I'm gonna go to screen. Okay, so in this part, you don't need to mess up with the keyframes, but here you're gonna need to mess up with the opacities. And here, I'm putting the opacity into 75%. Okay, so for the last one effect, I'm gonna go to color and light and search for exposure gamma. Okay, so this time we're messing up with the keyframes. You can follow my keyframe settings or making it your own. It's all up to you. And after adding the keyframes, don't forget to put in the graphs. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone have a really great day. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you won't leave any of my tutorials. And make sure to go request the next tutorial I shall make next. Thank you and God bless you.